Hey y'all, we're back. I'm gonna be doing my updated makeup routine. I'm gonna go ahead and just jump in with the concealer, the L'Oreal. You know, I've been using that for a little minute. And go ahead and put that concealer on first, under the eyes, okay? I love this concealer. Sorry my voice sounds like that, but yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and put this under, both eyes. Obviously, I am gonna give this a little bit of time to rest. That's why I was putting it on first, so that I can dry down a little bit. And then I just go on with my foundation. So I've been using that foundation for a minute too. I love it. Look at my skin. Look at that. Okay, then I'll go and add the concealer to the other places that I don't really need it to sit that much for. Get that forehead real quick. Okay, and then I do the eyes just a little bit, just in case I need a little bit more. And go ahead and blend that out. Okay. Yeah, I like having a little bit of extra concealer just on my eyes. I don't know why. I feel like it turns out a little bit better. So that's what I do. But I am going to take my time kind of just blending this in, because I haven't really done my makeup in a while. So we're starting to just kind of do something a little new. Okay, Blend Master 3000. Okay, I'm done. But yeah, it took me a little minute to blend all this out. I just kind of wanted to be a little thorough with this video, show you what exactly I was doing. So yeah, you can never go wrong with the blending. I'm gonna add a little bit of extra concealer today. This one kind of brightens it up a little bit, and I just like how it makes my concealer look. I don't do this every day, but sometimes. This is like a full face look, so we're gonna add that extra concealer. Now I'm gonna take this pressed powder that I got from Maybelline. I've been using that, and using a fluffy brush under my eyes. It's been helping so much with the creasing lately, y'all. Like, y'all don't understand how bad I be creasing. And this has just helped it so much. So I do that. Up on this top part of my eye, I crease too. So I've been putting the pressed powder there too. It's been working so good. And then I'll take the loose powder from Maybelline, and I'll go ahead and set like I normally do. Which I really don't be setting. I'll just be pushing that powder into my face. So, I think it's still setting. I did the rest of my face and I forgot to film it, so now I'm on the blush. Okay. I put a little bit on my nose, and then I just blend the blush in. And then I took the Black Radiance True Complexion palette just for a little bit of highlight. I don't even do highlight all the time. Sometimes I'll just blush and let's go, but I want to highlight for this day. Okay, you see how that all came together? All smooth. And of course I'm using the M.A.C Chestnut lip liner. Okay, I added a little bit of lashes in case some of y'all in the back could too. I added a little bit much, but sometimes for the color that I was using, I really don't like that it's so bright, so I really kind of will blend this out, and you're gonna see me do that. But this color is so bright that I'm gonna put on, so I had to kind of put on a little bit of extra liners so that I can blend it out how I want it to be blended out. Okay. This looks good. My mirror always goes out, the light. Well, sometimes she be acting good, but she be going out. I got a problem with that. Okay, so here's the color I was talking about. It's really pink and it was cute. It was kind of like my go-to a minute ago. Probably like 5 years ago. Oh, exactly 5 years ago. But this color is so bright that I have to kind of use that Q-tip and get up in there and blend it out the way that I want it to look. So it just doesn't look like how it does kind of right now. It's going to look a little better. I'm going to fix it, don't worry. The lashes is looking good though, girl. Okay, what are those? I'm pretty sure every lash that y'all will see me in is probably Ardell. I don't even switch it up. It's probably a bad thing, but I mean, they have so many different styles that I don't even need to. So they do a really good job. I love their lashes. Oh, that looks so much better. See, I told y'all about the lips. About the lips. Lips. I'll be blending out for a little minute just to get it right. And she started feeling herself. Okay. And that is the finished look. My eye was kind of acting up a little bit, but I'll fix it later. But yeah, look at this. This is so cute. Okay. A baddie. Updated makeup routine, y'all. Okay. Yes. Alright, so as usual, thank y'all for coming to watch this video. I'm sorry my voice sounds like this. It's gonna get better, hopefully in a couple days. If I yell or like do too much singing, my voice sounds like this, which is not good. But yes, thank you all for watching this video. Come back for more. Yeah, Yanni out. Bye y'all.